Hi, y'all. It's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to day 4 of 100 Days of Halloween. So last night's movie was Conjure the Devil. Okay, who watched it? Hands up, who watched it? Okay, I watched it. It was not scary at all. In fact, it was quite humorous. It was one of those bad B movies, but I still watched it because parts of it were... Okay, up to a certain point, it was funny. And then after a while, it was just monotonous. I can't even explain the movie to you because I don't quite understand what I watched. Well, I mean, I can't explain it to you. There's a church where they're accepting of everyone, like churches are supposed to be. We're supposed to love one another. This was a church. It had ex-drugs addicts and gay people in it. And this new priest comes in. And he's going to change it all. They need more traditional, not clientele, congregation. Ooh, my brain's
That's
working.
a nice word.
And so, big word for so early in the morning. So yeah, and he comes in, well, he's not just a priest, but he also can summon this evil nun that comes back and wreaks havoc on people. Yeah, it's a little weird. There's a lot of weird. Okay. Not scary at all. But I watched it. I do not give it any thumbs up. It was worth a little laugh, but would not watch that again. No. I did watch a movie the other night that Ella from No Catchy Name recommended, which was Frozen, not Ella and her sister, and no, not that Frozen. It actually happens on a ski lift. Well, that's the major focus is on it. It's anyway. It's not scary. It's just kind of. I mean, it's scary, but not horror scary, if you know what I mean. And don't watch it if you can't handle gore, because there's one part that really made me almost toss my cookies. I was like, ooh. So yeah, there. I'll make up for that crazy movie. Not that I'm sorry I watched it, because I did get a few chuckles, but you could go watch Frozen on Tubi. That's not my movie recommendation. I'm just telling you, I watched it. It was alright. You know, it wasn't nothing great that I would go watch again, but if LJ wanted to watch it with me, I'd be okay, especially now that I know where to close my eyes at. Yeah. Okay, so my make today, I made Sam for Trick or Treat. I think he came out absolutely adorable. I didn't put his little patches on. That's all I didn't do. And I didn't use buttons. I didn't have any buttons, so I just made circles for eyes. So his eyes are a little bigger than they probably should be, but that's my make for today. And this is a tutorial by Rhonda Butler here on YouTube. I will put the link in the description box to the video if you would like to make one yourself. I think he's really cute, and I really kind of want to make another one. Keep one for us, and then I'm trying to sell one. So I have a market tomorrow. Good Lord, already tomorrow? I have a market tomorrow, so there you go. And he'll be on my little table. So maybe say goodbye to Sam for now, because he may be going to a new home. Okay, so now that I've jabbered on enough, what is our movie for today? Beg on Tubi. Not sure what that's all about. I just picked movies in the horror section and thought, well, just jump in and take a chance on these. So some of these are not movies I've ever watched. So if they end up being horrible, we experience it together, okay? I mean, that's the fun of it, right? Like we're watching we're having a horror fest one time together as friends, because that's what y'all are, my friends. And oops, we got a bad movie. Oops, we got a bunch of bad movies. That's okay, because that's a part of fun. Me and LJ do it. Oh, look, this looks good. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. There you go. So yes, on Tubi, it's called Beg. that's our movie for tonight. Today I am going to go and help my daughter babysit my great niece and nephews until her fiance can get off, and then my niece never gets to go anywhere without kids. So, because her husband works on the oil field, so he's not home that often. So when he's home, they try to spend all the time they can with the kids and, together as a family. And so Rayanna decided it would be sweet to babysit for my niece, it is sweet, and I get to spend time with the kiddos. So she is going to a wedding of her best friend, kidless, which must be wonderful. And for her, because like I said, she never gets to, and we're going to watch the kiddos. I can't show you pictures of them, but if I do anything that I feel like y'all might like a little glimpse into my life, I will videotape it and add it to tomorrow's video. So, like I said, I've jabbered on long enough. Stay spooky, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah.